Paje Lagoon. After months of hard work, we are proud to celebrate the successful completion of the Paje Lagoon project. The completed structure is a testament to the blend of modern design principles and respect for natural aesthetics. The project's successful completion is a testament to our team's ability to overcome challenges and deliver excellence. The Paje Lagoon project stands tall, not just as a model of architectural brilliance, but also as a symbol of sustainable development that respects the environment. It has been a journey of learning, overcoming obstacles, and ultimately celebrating success. Thank you.